Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to cancel Discord Nitro subscription on mobile, Android or iOS. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your smartphone and tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom navigation bar. Scroll to the billing settings section and tap on Manage Nitro. On this next screen, tap Cancel next to Switch Plans options. Now, tap Continue on the pop-up that appears, which will redirect you to your App Store subscription management page. For Android users, tap on the Discord subscription, select Cancel, and confirm by tapping Cancel subscription again on the top up. Your Discord Nitro subscription is now cancelled. You will retain access to Nitro features until the end of the billing cycle. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.